Welcome to Mobiezy. This video talks you on how to add packs to your cable network solutions on the Mobiezy website. Once you log in on to your cable network solutions, click on menu on the home page, click on forms, click on manage packs. To create any new pack, click on create, add a pack name. So I will add here South_Super. The base pack, it is a base pack or is it an add-on pack or a channel? I will say it is a base pack. What is the cost of this particular pack? I will say 350. So what is the pricing type here? Is it a total price without any GST, or is it a base price with GST, or total price with GST? So I would go with total price with GST, and automatically the calculations would have been done. So once you validate all the details, click on submit, click on yes and proceed, and click on OK again. So the newly created pack will appear on the manage pack homepage. To create a new pack, click on create again. So I will call this as a sports_add-on. Okay, so what type of pack is this? So I can call this as an add-on pack, and the price for this is 99 rupees, and this is a total price with GST, and I will click on submit, click on OK. And similarly, you can create or edit or manage packs. To edit any pack, click on the red image under the action section. You can do the required modification, or you can also choose if you want to keep this as an active or an inactive. To make it as an inactive, just slide here. To make it as an active, just slide here and click on submit and proceed. Okay, and that's about managing the packs on Mobiezy Cable Solutions. Thank you.